Hi, Miss Lyn here, just out and enjoying a beautiful fall afternoon. Don't you just love autumn with all the falling leaves? And they're so much fun to play in. You can have leaf fights, or make paths to walk around or ride your bike through, or just hang out in a pile of leaves. What's your favorite color? Maybe red? Yellow? Orange? How about brown? How about blue? Wait a minute, that's not right. Yep, we're sure seeing some beautiful colors this time of year. But did you know that some of the leaves have had those colors in them the whole time, even when the leaves look green to us? See, leaves have three different ingredients that give them color. They're called pigments. One of them is chlorophyll, and it makes the leaf look green. The other one is carotenoids. They give them the yellow and orange color. And then in the fall, some leaves make anthocyanin, and that gives them a color of red. But in the springtime, when the leaves are growing and they need to really catch a lot of sunlight to grow, they make a lot of chlorophyll. But when fall comes and plants start shutting down for winter, they stop making chlorophyll. And when the chlorophyll starts fading away in the leaf, you can see the colors that have been underneath the whole time. You know, I found an experiment that helps us find out what color a leaf will turn once the chlorophyll is gone. Want to do it with me? Come on. I asked my husband Andy to pick out 3 green leaves from a tree or a bush that already had some leaves turning color. But I asked him, don't tell us what color bush or tree it came from. We want to try and find out for ourselves. So to do this experiment, you're going to need a jar for every type of leaf you're going to test. And of course, at least 3 leaves per experiment. And you'll need some plastic wrap, some rubbing alcohol, hot water, some bowls, and a coffee filter to be able to cut up. Oh, and a spoon to smush up all the leaves. So first you tear the leaves up into tiny little pieces, and then you pour rubbing alcohol, just enough to cover the leaves in each container. All right, then you take your spoon and you smash them all up. This is very important so that you get it all broken down. Okay, I'm done smashing my leaves. That was fun. And I already see a little green in the water. That means the chlorophyll's already starting to come out. Now, we set each jar in a bowl and cover the jar with plastic. Then we're going to add a little hot water to the bowls because the heat will help bring out the chlorophyll even more. But then comes the hardest part of all, waiting. You should let it sit for at least 30 minutes. If you can stand it, you should wait 45 minutes to an hour. Do you know what I like to do when I'm waiting? Yep, read a good book. Full of fall. See you in a little bit. Okay, once time is up, take the plastic off your jar and put a coffee filter down into the liquid, just one end. And you may want to tape the other end to the side of your jar so that it doesn't fall in. And the liquid will travel up the filter and the colors will separate as the rubbing alcohol evaporates. That means as it dries up. But again, another hard part, have to wait an hour. Good thing there are a lot of good books. Want to see how we did? Well, we got a yellow and an orange and a red. Now I did notice that they were pretty faint at first, so I let them stay in longer than an hour. and then the colors really showed up. But let's see if we got them right. This one is yellow, yellow. This one was from an orange tree. This one was from a red tree. We did it! We're nature detectives. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you have fun. Bye.